morning everyone. Today we are going to start Science Chapter 11, The Human Eye and the Colorful World, Part 1. So let's start. First we will learn about the human eye. So here you can see the structure of human eye. So it is you can say as slightly spherical in shape, almost spherical. Also with this eye we can see the colorful world. That's why the name of this chapter is The Human Eye and the Colorful World. Now we will discuss about the parts of human eye. So first, cornea. So cornea is a transparent bulging out part of the eye. As you can see in the diagram, it is bulging out from a ball-like structure, that is our eye. It is bulging out and it is transparent. Another is retina. Retina is a screen of our image. Here on retina, the image is formed from where we can see the objects around us. Next is iris. Iris is where we say the color of that person is black or brown or whatever. So this shows the color. Pupil. Pupil is inside iris. Iris control the pupil arrangement. If the pupil becomes large when we are at dark room and becomes small when we are in brighter room, right? Then comes eye lens. So eye lens is a lens that is contracted or relaxed by the ciliary muscle that holds it, right? So it is convex in nature, so it converts the rays. So it helps in forming the image at retina, where the focus is at retina, right? But sometimes the image do not form on retina too. That we will learn in the next part. Then it is optic nerve. So after the image is formed is real and inverted. But you have to think that if the image formed is inverted, then how we are able to see the world erect? So this is due to optic nerve. The optic nerve gives the message to the brain, and the brain convert the inverted and real image into virtual and erect image. So that's why we are able to see this beautiful world erect. Now retina made up of two types of cells, that is rod cell and cone cells. Rod cells are activated when we are in low light level, and cone cells are activated higher light level and colorful vision. So whatever color you are able to see, blue, pink or whatever, that is due to cones. And rods are at low light because this is the reason owls have more rod cell, because they wake up at night. Now, power of accommodation. Let's learn about it. Let's revise that these are ciliary muscle around the eye lens that help in the contraction and relaxation of the eye lens, right? This is related to the power of accommodation only, these two things of the eye. Now, whatever there is image at infinity, the ciliary muscle relax, and when the ciliary muscle relaxes, the eye lens elongate and becomes thin. So whenever we are seeing the image at infinity or very far, then our eye lens become thin and ciliary muscle relaxes, right? Now, as the eye lens becomes thin, the focal length increases. That is why we are able to see the distinct objects clearly. So the thinner the lens, the more the focal length. So these are proportional to each other. When the object is closer to the eye, then the focal length decreases and we are able to see the image on the retina of our eye, right? This also increases the curvature of the eye lens. So this is how we can see the nearby object clearly too. What is exactly accommodation? So accommodation is the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation. So when the object is far away or at infinity, the ciliary muscle relaxes. When the object is near, then the ciliary muscle contract, and there is a change in eye lens also. It contract, it relaxes, right? Now this is the thing least distance of distinct vision. The least distance that we can see from our eyes, least distance is 25 centimeter. So this is the distance at which object can be seen mostly distinctly without strain, is called the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, we can also see at 24 centimeter, right, but it will cause eye strain or it will be blur, right? So it is least distance of distinct image. And how much far we can see? That is infinity. So the power of our eye to see the images from infinity to 25 centimeter from our eye, right? Now there is a disease related to the eye, that is cataract. So cataract is common in the old people. Why? Because the crystalline lens of people at old age become milky and cloudy. So what happened? They are not able to see the objects clearly. Why? Because there is milky and cloudy on their eye lens. Right? This is called cataract. So this can only be cured after cataract surgery. Right?